Welcome to Phoenix College. Thank you for choosing one of our massively open online courses. I hope these courses will help you be successful in mathematics.
In this video, we'll be exploring the Introductory Algebra course. The course is organized very similar to a textbook. Notice how there are 9 modules, where Module 9 is optional. You can think of a module as a chapter in a textbook. Before we explore the content, though, if you click on the announcements, it is important to read the welcome announcement, which you probably have already read because you're currently watching the video introduction. But it is important to read this first announcement to give you an idea of what this course has to offer. There's also a link that you can download the entire textbook if you wish. However, the textbook is linked within each section. So let's go ahead and close the announcement. Before we look at the content, if you scroll down to the bottom of the course, notice how there's a folder for additional resources as well as the course competencies. So if we open up this folder, you can view the course competencies, and there are also some links for some online calculators. And now let's explore the course content. Each module is organized in the same way. So if we click on, let's say, Module 2, each module is similar to a chapter in a math textbook. Notice at the top of the module folder, there is a folder for notes. If we click on the notes, you may find these links helpful. These are links that I've used for classes that meet in the past. So if I click on lesson 2.1 or 2.2, there's a PDF file of examples and answers that I've worked out in class. And now let's explore a section of the module. Each section will have 3 links. So if I click on section 2.1, the first link is for the online textbook. So if I click on this link, this is also a PDF file that can be downloaded, saved, or printed. Next, there's the video assignment for the section. So if I click on the video assignment, notice how this video assignment has 2 videos for you to watch. These videos take the place of an actual lesson in class. To watch the videos, you simply click play. All the videos are hosted on YouTube. If you'd like to watch the video in full screen, you can click on this rectangle. To exit full screen, simply press Escape. Once you've watched the video, to record that you've watched it, you click in this small box here toward the bottom and then click Submit. You do receive points for watching the video lessons. After completing the first video, you click on question 2 to view the second video. Just so you know, there is a timestamp to show how long you watched the video. And the third link within each section is going to be the online homework. So if we click on the link for homework 2.1, notice how this homework assignment has 20 questions. You do have unlimited attempts to complete each homework question. However, if you miss a question twice, you will have to work a different version to receive full credit. If you're working on a homework question and need help, the most popular option is to click on this worked example or video help. If we click on this button, a very short video pops up explaining a problem very similar to the question you're working on. These videos are not the same as the video lessons, and that's why it's important to watch the video lessons before jumping to the homework. There's also a link down here toward the bottom to message the instructor or post a question to a forum. It's recommended to post a question to a forum if you have a question about the problem. If you think there's an error in the question, feel free to message the instructor. And finally, you can also jump to the answer to see the answer to this question, but to receive full credit, you would have to work a similar problem. Once you think you have the answer, you simply enter the answer into the answer cell. If the answer is a complicated expression, once you click in the answer cell, you can click on this yellow arrow, which brings up a math tool that will help enter more complicated expressions. So again, every section is organized in the same way. Once you complete all the work for all these sections within a module, there is always an optional module practice test, which is a review over the entire module, as well as a module test. And again, each module in each section is organized in the same way. The course also has a midterm and final exam here at the very bottom of the course. And for the midterm and final, There's also a practice midterm and a practice final. So I hope you'll find this course helpful. Remember, this course is a self-study course. It does not show on your transcript or count for credit. However, it can be very useful for reviewing before taking the placement test, which would allow you to test out of this course and place into the next course. I hope you found this helpful.